Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the engine knock sensors on your Mercedes. This one in particular is the ML350. Other models are very close and similar, so stay tuned and watch the video. Some of the symptoms that you're going to get when you have a bad knock sensor is number one, you're going to have a reduction in power, so the computer is going to sense that there's a knock, reduce the power. Some cars won't restart after you turn the engine off. Another thing that you might see is the check engine light will illuminate, and you will get, when you scan the computer, you're going to get a couple 2 or 3 error codes, and they're P0324, P0325 and P0328, having to do with the knock sensor. Now, removing and replacing these knock sensors are extremely easy to do. The bad news is that it's difficult to get to these parts. You're going to have to remove the air intake manifold. That's a big job. I have a video right here showing you. So remember I said that removing and gaining access to the sensor is the hardest part. So here I'm showing you quickly how to remove the air intake manifold. This is just a quick fast video showing that. Actual video is right above in the card that you can click on the video, also in the description below. Once you've taken it off, this is where the knock sensors are located. 2 of them. They're kept in place with an E10 bolt right there, and you're also gonna, once you've removed the E10 bolt, to remove the wire harness, you depress these 2 metal clips and unplug it. Plug it in the new one, bolt it in the new E10 bolt into the knock sensor, and then tighten it down to the right specifications. These parts are listed in the description below. They're affiliate links of mine on Amazon, so I get credit whenever you buy from the links below. Help support the channel, save some money by buying it on Amazon, and keep the channel alive. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.